The Postmaster General delivered the message in person today. Patrick Donahoe told Congress that the Postal Service is running out of money to pay its bills. But he's not looking for a handout. He wants something else. Nancy Cordes is our congressional correspondent. Nancy, how'd the post office get in so much trouble?
Well, Scott, first and foremost, it's because demand for the bread and butter product for the U.S. Postal Service first-class letter mail has dropped by a whopping 36% over the past 5 years. Now, partly that's because of the bad economy, but mostly it's because Americans are just plain and simple switching to email. They're paying their bills online and sending invitations online.
And what's the Postmaster General asking for?
Well, in the immediate term, he wants Congress to postpone a payment that's coming due at the end of the month for the Postal Service for $5.5 billion. But in the long term, he wants authorization for a host of things: approval to drop Saturday delivery, to slash workforce by 120,000 workers, and to close about 3,700 postal offices around the country.
One of the things that surprised me the most today, you told me that there was no taxpayer money in the Postal Service.
That's right. In fact, taxpayers haven't been funding the Postal Service at all since the early 1980s. And the Postmaster General says he's not asking for a handout now. He simply wants more authority to streamline and modernize the agency, make it more competitive. And he's worried that Congress won't get around to doing that until the last minute next year when it's set to run out of money.
Nancy, thank you.